Papad ka na, taas pa.
Photos na po! Talk lang. Gusto mo naman. Oy, tol, may nag-notif sa akin.
Hindi pa yan, Brett. Ika mga sa sport ka. Ika mga.
Paparating atang bagyo, man. GMA News. Ano nga ba ang typhoon?
Ang typhoon ay isang malakas na ulan na tumutubo sa mainit na tubig ng karagatan. Karaniwan ito ang nangyayari sa Pasipiko. At mayroon itong malakas na ulit na hangin, malakas na ulan, at minsan ay may kasama pagkulog. At tulad ito ng hurricane na nangyayari sa kanlurang rehiyon ng Pasipiko. Bakit nga ba may madalas na bagyo dumadaan sa Pasipiko? Ang bansa ay matatagpuan sa habaan ng typhoon belt sa karagatang Pasipiko. Kahit napakadalas naranasan ang mga bagyo. Ang mainit na tubig sa Pasipiko ay nagbibigay ng perpektong kapaligiran para sa pagbuo ng mga bagyo ito.
Do you know how many typhoons hit the Philippines each year? On average, the Philippines experiences around 20 typhoons annually, with several of them causing significant damage due to their strength and frequency. Now, let's take a look at the effects of this typhoon. The first one is heavy rainfall and flooding. Typhoons bring intense rainfall that can lead to flash floods, especially in low-lying areas. This not only disrupt daily life, but can also destroy crops and infrastructure.
Loss of life and injury. Unfortunately, many lives are lost during typhoon due to drowning, collapsing buildings, and debris. Emergency response are often overwhelming, making it difficult to provide adequate aid.
Ano nga ba ang property damage of typhoons? Typhoons can cause widespread damage sa ating mga tahanan, paaralan, pati na rin sa ating negosyo o mga kabuhayan. Ang mga bubong ay pwedeng masira at lumipad kung saan-saan. Ang mga bintana ay pwedeng mabasag dala ng sobrang lakas ng bugso ng bagyo. Pati na rin ang mga gusali ay pwedeng masira o mag-collapse na pwedeng magsanhi for displacing thousands of people. So, typhoon is a natural phenomenon. The frequency and severity in the Philippines can have a devastating consequences for communities. Understanding the effects of typhoons can help in planning for disaster preparedness, awareness, and response.
It's Trivia Time! Alam mo ba kung saan nagmula ang salitang typhoon? Ang salitang typhoon ay nagmula sa salitang typhoon. Na ibig sabihin nito ay strong winds.
You know, typhoon names are assigned from a rotating list by the World Meteorological Organization.
Did you know, to its location in the tropic, the Philippines is one of the most prone countries to typhoon.
Alam nyo ba na ang mata ng isang bagyo ay may lawak na halos 100 milya na halos kasing lapad ng Florida sa Amerika?
Our country, located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, is unfortunately one of the most typhoon-prone areas in the world. Each year, typhoons cause devastation, loss of lives, destruction of property, and disruptions to our economy and communities. But the good news is, there are actions we can take to lessen the impact of these powerful storms.
Ito ang aming mga naisip na solusyon. Una, pangalagaan natin ang ating kalikasan. Just stop cutting, do planting. Make the world green again.
Pangalawang solusyon, maghanda na emergency kit kapag alam mo may parating na bagyo sa inyong lugar. Ang mga kailangan laman nito ay mahalagang gamit kagaya ng dokumento, pagkain, tubig, gamot, flashlight, at iba pang kakailanganin na gamit.
Community must work together to
ensure that infrastructure like road, bridge, and school are realized enough to withstand a strong wind and a heavy rain of a typhoon.
As we face more frequent and intense typhoons, it's crucial to consider not only how we respond during the storm, but also how we can reduce the impact long before they arrive. Today, we would like to share how these important strategies can collectively help us mitigate the devastating effects of typhoons.
The trees, particularly those with dense canopies like mangroves, coconut palms, and large hardwoods, act as a natural windbreaks. Their trunks and branches absorb and deflect strong winds, reducing wind speed before it reaches buildings and other infrastructure. By slowing down the wind, trees reduce the force of gusts that can cause structural damage, uproot trees, and send debris flying. This can lessen the likelihood of widespread property damage, injuries, and even fatalities during a storm.
Next, let's talk about preparedness. A well-packed go bag can make all difference when a typhoon is approaching. The simple yet effective tool essentials that individuals and families have essentials they need to survive in case of evacuation, or if they are cut off from basic services. A go bag typically includes items like water, foods, first aid supplies, flashlight, medication, and important documents.
Strong infrastructure play a pivotal role in minimizing the damage caused by typhoon. Typhoon-resistant building, for instance, can withstand a high wind and heavy rainfall, preventing the destruction of home and business. Building code must be enforced to ensure that new construct is designed to withstand the force of a nature.
While we can control nature, we can control how we respond by preparing ourselves and our communities. We can reduce the impact of a typhoon and potentially make these storms less destructive. Together, we have the power to save lives and protect our homes. Stay safe, stay informed, and take action.
Unang tanong, ano nga ba ang pinakamalakas na bagyo na tumama sa Pilipinas?
Pangalawang tanong, kailan tumama ang pinakamalakas na bagyo sa Pilipinas?
Pangatlong tanong, saang exact location sa Pilipinas landfall ang bagyo?
Pang-apat na tanong, gaano karami casualty ang nadulot ng bagyo na to? Mali! Ano ba yun? Okay. Go! Bye. Game na ba? Mo tayo.
Kanina ba nagpe-play?
Ang apat na tanong.
Tanong. Bakit tumawa? Nahihirapan na nga ako eh.
Next, let's talk about
Let's talk about.
Ano let's talk about what?
a well-packed go bag can make all difference when a typhoon approaching. This
Did you know? Typhoon-resistant building for instant can use. So, especially they are